Dawn's Inspirations here. I wanted to share with you this lovely little folio. This is 8 1/4 by 8 1/4 by 1/2 inch, and this is made from my Slimline Mix and Match folios. I've used the Arden cardstock and the Arden Remembering paper collection. So let me show you inside. So as we open this up, the nice thing about the Slimline Mix and Match is you can pick the page styles you wish. So if we open up here, I've done a lovely little scrapbook layout here ready to add photographs. And then when I open this side up, let's look behind this one first. Magnetized. We open this up and you've got a lovely big document pocket. So great for your photographs. So I've done a little tuck behind spot here with this. So I've created an additional pocket inside this photo mat. I've used some of the rub-ons as well. But you'll see with the document page, you can even add photographs to the inside. You could write your journaling alongside here as well. So that's your document page. So let's fold this all up, and then if we look to the side of this, we've got a nice big photo layout going on here again. I've just done some little card with the stencils used on here just to give a different look, still using that Arden cardstock, and then I've done a little cut behind spot there to take that. And then this opens out again to create a lovely big double-sided layout, so ready to hold your photographs. So that's just one side. So now let's look on the other side. So beautiful photographed. I've used those lovely little the gems you've got that you can add there, the little glosses. We open this up. Nice big spot here for photographs on both sides of these. Okay, and then you've got photograph opportunities at the back here, and I haven't stuck that down. I've left that there as a tuck behind spot as well, so you could stick a photograph behind there, a memorabilia or a photograph behind that one too. So we'll close that up. And then on this side, we've got a nice big diagonal pocket. It's a double diagonal pocket because we've got the two elements here. You could quite easily put a big photo mat behind here if you wish, but I've just done a couple of little tag photographs behind here, and this means I can use up scraps I've got left from the paper collection as I've decorated, and then just using the cardstock again from Arden, making some extra little tags to go behind there, and then with the ephemera just making again little tuck behind spots to add even more ephemera and make it your own. So this is my Remembering Slimline Mix and Match folio. So I do hope you've enjoyed it. I have. I'll leave the links below for you, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.